Hey guys, this is PowerCat69. Today I have a Westinghouse Comet ceiling fan. Well, this one's actually a ball-eye ceiling fan, but I can't tell if that's still on. Yeah, this is actually a ball-eye ceiling fan, but people call it Westinghouse because it looks like a Westinghouse. But I've customized this one. I got rid of that light kit and put on this one from the other ceiling fan. Okay, yeah, that was on for all that time. Okay, let me just wait till this stops. But the blades on this are homemade. These were made out of like compressed board, and they're cut and everything. And this fan is extremely wobbly. I don't know if it's the brackets or the blades, but so this is high speed. As you see, this is really fast, and it's off balance. It was worse than this, believe it or not. It was way worse than this before I started recording. That is so fast that the camera is, it looks like it's good. I don't know how to explain that effect. So obviously the reason it's going so fast is because the pitch is messed up, so I need to fix all of those blade brackets. Keep in mind, this is after the fan was fixed. It still needs a bit more work. You're not going to be able to hear the air noise with it. I can definitely feel it. So that's high. Let's look at medium. I don't know if you can see that, but I attached the pull chain with a connector because I didn't have any of the pull chain bead things, so. This is medium. There's pretty much no air movement, and then the blades start making that noise. This fan needs work, but once I fix this and like get all the blades pitched properly, this will be pretty good. So that's medium. Now it's time for low. Even on low, on the camera, this still appears to be going pretty quick. Yeah, on the camera, everything appears to be going a lot quicker than it actually is. Although this for the age of this fan, like 2016, this low speed is pretty good. Like pretty much everything on this fan actually is from like 2016, except for that switch housing. Switch housing is from like a really old fan, and everything else is fairly new. So, and off. So because of how lightweight the blades are, this fan really goes fast. So that's a good thing. So I'll be able to add more pitch to the blades without worrying too much about the motor slowing down and burning out, since these blades don't weigh too much. So, yeah. Let's give you a closer look at this. The switch housing is a little bit off. I mean, it's not that bad as it was originally, but yeah, this fan didn't come with switch housing. It came with a weird looking light kit that I didn't like. Something like that. So the top of the blades, because of how weird this material is, when I painted the top, it just absorbed the paint. So as you can see, this is how it ended up looking. It kind of created a wood-like finish on the top. Although, like, one of the blades, I oversprayed it, and I can't count that as a finish because of that. It's not that one. It's not that one. Not that one. Not that one. I don't know which blade it is. One of them has like a lot of paint on top of it. So this was obviously the light kit from the Bali Mountain. The Bali Mountain's still up. That fan didn't need many repairs since it was like I rarely ever used it, so it's still good as new. So yeah, this 10% battery remaining. Oh yeah, this is the light kit from that. Switch housing is from like a Royal Pacific, a different one, not the same one that you've seen like last year. It's a different one from that. I don't know what this pull chain is from. It's using the original electronics except for the capacitor, because obviously that went bad. And that's all the stickers. There's no branding. I can tell you that this is Bali because on the box it said Bali like right up there. Bali Kingston was the full name. And it's just a Westinghouse knockoff. So I decided to turn it into something a little better. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with this, but it's a functional ceiling fan with a light kit, something that I don't have much of, so I guess what's next is to find out where this goes next. So this is PowerCat69. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.